In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can find the nth term of a linear arithmetic sequence. A linear sequence has a common line of differences, where we are either adding or subtracting a number between any two terms. Now this is a linear sequence because what we'll notice is that it goes up by the same amount every single time. With the example on the left, I can see that it's increasing by 3. Normally with an arithmetic sequence, we can say that it's based on a particular times table. Here, we can see that if it is going up by 3 every single time, it must be based on the 3 times table. Writing the times table and then the sequence underneath, you can see that for each of the times table values, there is a shift by the same number every single time. Here, we're taking away 4 from the times table to give me the sequence. 12 take away 4 is 8. So any number in the 3 times table will be 3n, where n stands for the position. So if I was after the 10th number in the 3 times table, it would be 3 times 10. But to be able to shift any number in a particular position of the 3 times table, I would need to take away 4 from it. So I end up with 3n take away 4. This is the nth term of this sequence. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at the common line of differences, I can see that it's going down by 2 each time. This means it's based on the -2 times table. Writing the sequence underneath, I can see that there is a shift of add 6 every single time. The nth number in the -2 times table is -2n, and shifting it by 6 would give me -2n add 6. This is the nth term of this sequence.